let us continue our conversation. My question was, what is the importance of holidays in our life? Why do you enjoy holiday? My question was that uh, the sun always works. What will happen if the sun one day tells us that he will take a holiday? What will happen then? This is a very serious question.
Yes.
Before getting answer or before going to discuss about this matter, I want to make you think what is the importance of holidays in our life. My point was that how long do you spend taking rest or sleeping? You have told that you spend about 8 hours.
Yes.
8 hours means one third of the total daytime.
Hmm.
One third of 24 hours is a great part of your daytime, and during this period what do? You just sleep or take rest. That means by naturally there is the importance of rest in our life. Without rest our life cannot exist. So taking rest means stopping our work. And why do we take rest? Because our system, our body has some limitations, and we cannot continue our work continuously 24 hours. The question that what will happen if the sun declares that he will take a one day leave? This question is absurd because without sun our life cannot be imagined. So the sun's life and our lives are not the same, isn't it?
Yes.
We cannot compare our life with the sun's life. Sun is the father or mother of the whole creation, whole universe, especially of our solar system, in which our planet, our heavenly home exists. Have you understood what I have said just now?
Yes.
So rest is a very essential thing of our life. Our physical system, our body has some limitations. If we work continuously, we may work or remain awake all 1 or 2 days continuously, but after that there will be some sort of severe illness in our body, and that adverse effect will lead us to a great consequences. So continuous work is unusual with our life. It should be accompanied with rest. So holidays has great importance in our life. During holidays, one of my questions was that what special work do you do on holidays? There are many people who goes on outdoor tour. There are some people who uh, prepare special dishes on holidays. Cleaning of the whole household may be one of the special works of the holiday. And Actually, an ideal life must have holiday, and on that holiday some unusual work should be done so that there may be some balance in our life, and without balance we cannot enjoy the charm of life. And so holidays should be accompanied with our working days. On weekdays we mainly go to our workplace and there we do many types of work. We remain in a tensed mood because of the urgency of our works, and there is great mental and physical strain on our life, and to relieve ourselves from those tensions or tense condition we need some sort of holiday, so that our nervous system, our physical system may be relieved from that mental pressure. Now I think you have got some idea what is the importance of holidays. Now tell me 2 or 3 sentences about the importance of holiday. Just begin. Why should we?
Reduce our stress.
Next, you may just mention the points or about the benefits of holidays. It removes our tension. Okay, next. We can follow our hobbies. We can clean our household.
Yes.
We can make plan for the coming days of the week. We can visit our friends and relatives. And these are the points I have mentioned. I haven't mentioned earlier, isn't it?
Yes.
And this discussion, these points, no doubt widen your area of thought. Do you know what is the meaning of widen?
To white.
Wide মানে বিস্তৃত করা, বাড়াবে, তোমার মেন্টাল রিজিয়নটাকে বাড়াবে. I want you to make you think about these matters. Now tell me, what special work other special work do you do on holidays? You have mentioned just one work, that you take care of your trees and plants. And any other work you do on holidays?
I help my mother in her work.
You help your mother in her work. In what type of work do you help your mother?
In cleaning the house.
Next. Do you help your mother in cooking?
No.
Does your mother want you to make you learn cooking?
I had learned cooking earlier.
You have already learned cooking.
Yes.
What type of cooking can you do? Are you able to cook rice?
No.
What type of curry can you prepare?
I can prepare fish or egg curry.
You can prepare fish or egg curry. Good. Okay. And I think you will learn the cooking of rice. Learning to cook rice is very easy. And I have learned it from my mother. I remember my mother told me what amount of water should be given with the rice. He showed me one day that there will be 2 or 3 inches water on this surface of your rice in the pot in which you will cook the rice, and that very teaching has helped me to cook rice easily. And you will be I think you will be surprised to know that there is no need of draining liquid, that means that is called fan, bhater fan. It should not be drained out. I think most of the cooks drain the extra water and the vitamin part of the rice in the form of fan. You should know that our present type of rice loses its vitamin part, because nowadays paddy is turned into rice in husking machine, and in that machine the process of extracting rice from the paddy grain is done in such a way that the rice loses its vitamin part from the surface of the rice grain. And in the previous year, in the old days, when there was the dheki to extract rice from the paddy grain, this loss of vitamins from the rice did not happen. However, nowadays paddy is broken in machines, husking machine, so most of the part of the vitamins of rice is thrown away. And during the cooking, we if we drain the liquid from the rice, boiled rice, that is called fan, then the nutritious part of rice lessens gradually. And my mother showed me the process in which there is no need of draining that fan, and I can cook rice without that very harmful process of cooking rice. And you have to take notice of the rice while it is being boiled in the pot or oven. Okay. What other work do you do, or do you help your mother on holidays? You help your mother in cleaning room. Next, any other work? Do you help your mother in washing clothes if required? No. Do you help your mother in arranging books or other household things?
Yes.
Does your mother rebuke you sometimes during these works? Do you know what is the meaning of rebuke?
No.
Rebuke means bokuni dewa. Does your mother rebuke you during the time when you help your mother in these household works?
Yes.
Why does he rebuke you? Just mention 1 or 2 points. Do you?
She says that I am lengthening her work.
Okay, you try to learn to help her, but she tells you that it is quite natural. Mothers are experienced, and mother, you have some curiosity to learn the household works, etc., and your mother thinks that, sometimes thinks that you are making his work longer. It is,
Yes.
you should not mind about them. You should know that if you should be a all rounder. If you don't avoid, don't mind if your mother rebukes, because she is your experience, she is your mother, she is your teacher. And it is quite natural that teachers will rebuke or almost sometimes punish you for your own benefit. Okay, I think this will you will continue and learn everything. Do you what type of work do you do on holidays about your studies? Do you do any special type of studies besides reading storybooks? Have you understood the question?
Yes.
As a student, you have some duties, special duties or special works about your studies. Can you think what type of work I want to point out?
Yes.
What type of work I want to mention that you should do, that you should give special emphasis on holidays?
Reading other books which
Reading other books. Other books means storybooks.
no.
Then I want to mean that you should do some revision works. Revision works of your subjects. During the weekdays, when your class continues, it may happen that some chapters, some portions of any subject has not been properly understood or fully revised. As a result of it, the memory or understanding is weak. Then it is the holidays extra time that may help you to strengthen that weaker part of your studies or learning or chapter. And as an ideal student, you should do this. Have you understood what I have said?
Yes.
ছুটির দিনে কোনো কোনো সাবজেক্টের কোনো কোনো জায়গা রিভিশন করতে হয়। এই রিভিশনটা করলে তোমার পড়াশোনাটা যেসব জায়গায় দুর্বল আছো সেটা তোমার স্ট্রং হয়ে যাবে। রিভিশন ইজ দ্য সিক্রেট অফ সাকসেস অ্যাকর্ডিং টু মি, অ্যাকর্ডিং টু দ্য rule of studies. Revision, everything we learn from revision. And holidays, to a student, holidays is not meant for spending with other works, following some hobbies, wandering here and there. At least some hours, extra hours of our holiday should be spent for such type of revision works. It may also be some advanced works, advanced studies. That means, do you understand? Have you understood what I have mean by this term advanced studies? Do you do some advanced studies? Let me take up phone. Hello. Hello viewers. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, share our videos with your friends and give likes so that we may be encouraged to continue our service to the mankind by our online activities. Thank you very much for watching this video. try to communicate in English. This is a internationally important language of communication. Encourage the youngers to learn English properly for the sake of their own benefit. Thank you very much. Thank you.